Привет, привет! Как ваши дела? This is Nadia and YouTube channel Russian World. And today we are going to talk about the past tense of the verb. We have already talked about the present tense and also previously we were talking about 150 most common Russian verbs in the present tense. You can open the description and you will see the links to these videos there. So today we are going to talk about the past tense of the verb, and I want to say that the Russian language has only one past tense form. So the English counterparts of the Russian past tense are the past simple, the past continuous, perfect tense, but the Russian language has only one past tense form. Past tense forms are derived from the infinitive stem. And please pay attention to one really important information. In the past tense, verbs don't change for person. They are changed for number and gender. Let's take a look at the table. Now we are going to form the past tense of verb понимать, which means to understand. So we will change this verb for genders, masculine, feminine, and number, plural form. First line will be masculine, in case if men say this, or in case if you're talking about a man. So the way we form the past tense is the following way. We take the infinitive form понимать, remove the ending to, and we have the infinitive stem понима. And now we will add the suffix "l" to infinitive stem. So понимал. This is masculine form. And if you say "я понимал", it means that you're a man and you have to use this form. If you say ты понимал, it means that you say you understood, but you're talking about man, exactly man. And он понимал means he understood. Now let's take a look at the feminine form. The same here. We remove the ending to, and we have the infinitive stem понима, but we add suffix l plus a, la. So it will be понимала. If you want to say I understood and you are a woman, you will say "я понимала". If you want to say you understood, but you're talking about woman, you will say "ты понимала". And she understood, она понимала. And the same for plural form. Infinitive stem понима plus ли. So понимали. Мы понимали. Вы понимали. Они понимали. And now let's take a look at some verbs that may change in the different way in the past tense. These are verbs есть, сесть, идти, нести, вести, беречь. So есть will be ел, masculine form, ела, feminine form, ели, plural form. Сесть will be сел, masculine form, села, feminine form, and сели, plural form. Идти, шел, masculine form, шла, feminine form, шли. Нести, нес, несла, несли. Вести, вез, везла, везли. Беречь, берег, берегла, берегли. Now let's read some sentences. Be attentive about the past tense and the translation as well. As I said, The Russian language has only one past tense form. Okay, so вчера я долго гуляла в парке. Мы читали очень большой текст. В детстве он любил кататься на велосипеде. Они часто играли в компьютерные игры раньше. В субботу шел сильный дождь. Вы ели салат и блинчики в ресторане. Раньше мы не понимали этот язык. Она никогда не была в Москве. Okay, and now you will see some homework. Your home task will be to open the brackets and change these verbs to the past tense. And I recommend you to pause this video because the next slide that you will see will be answers to your homework so that you will check yourself. You can check yourself. Okay, guys, I hope now you understand the past tense much better. So now you know not only the present tense and 150 most common verbs in the Russian language in the present tense, but also you know the past tense and you can understand how to form those 100, how to change those 150 verbs in the present tense to the past tense. I hope this video was really useful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. I will be really grateful. Пока-пока!